If you're new to making money online and feeling overwhelmed by all the options, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, today I'm going to break down realistic, beginner-friendly ways to make money online. No scams, no hype, no expensive courses, just honest methods that work in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what path might work best for you. And I'll even share some tips at the end that helped beginners go from 0 to hundreds, even thousands per month online. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest and most flexible ways to earn money online. And the best part? You don't need years of experience or fancy degrees to get started. Freelancing means you're offering a skill or service, like writing, graphic design, video editing, or virtual assistance, to clients all over the world. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and even People Per Hour are great places to begin. Don't know where to start? Here are some in-demand freelance services that require little to no experience: writing blog articles or website content, editing and proofreading, doing voiceovers, managing emails or data entry, creating simple social media posts, translating between languages. Here's how to begin. Choose 1 or 2 services you can confidently offer. Sign up on a freelancing platform and create a detailed, trustworthy profile. Set a fair price. In the beginning, charge a bit lower to attract reviews, then gradually raise your rates. Apply to jobs consistently and customize your proposals. As you gain experience and build positive reviews, clients will start coming to you. Over time, many freelancers make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, completely from home. Number 2, print on demand. Print on demand is perfect for creative beginners who want passive income. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or tote bags. And when someone buys one, the platform prints and ships it for you. You don't handle any inventory. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle, and Merch by Amazon let you create and sell designs for free. Even if you're not a professional designer, you can use free tools like Canva or Photopea to create funny quotes, trendy slogans, simple aesthetic patterns, pet or hobby-based graphics. Steps to start: sign up on a PIAD platform. Use Canva to create a design, maybe a simple quote like "Dog Mom Life" or "Coffee First." Upload your design to multiple products. Publish your store and promote it on Pinterest or TikTok. If one of your designs takes off, it could earn you money for months or years, even while you sleep. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income by recommending products you already use and love. You sign up for affiliate programs, get a special link, and when someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need a website or large following to begin. Great places to start: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, Impact, Digistore, 24. You can promote your affiliate links by making short TikTok videos reviewing products, writing Instagram or Facebook posts, sharing tips in Reddit communities, ethically without spamming, creating top 5 lists on Medium or your blog. Affiliate commissions range from 4% to 75%, depending on the product. The more value you provide, the more people trust your recommendations. Start with one niche, like fitness, beauty, gaming, or tech, and build content around it. This method takes time, but once your links are working for you, it's one of the most passive and scalable ways to earn. Number 4, online tutoring or teaching. If you enjoy helping others and have strong knowledge in a particular area, online tutoring is a rewarding way to earn money online. You don't need a teaching degree to get started. You just need good communication skills and subject expertise. Platforms like Preply, teach subjects or languages, set your own rate Cambly, get paid to chat with people learning English Chegg tutors, help students with homework or specific questions. Let's say you're fluent in English or good at math. Create a tutor profile, upload a friendly intro video, and list your available hours. That's it. For example, Cambly pays around $10 per hour just to have conversations in English. Pre-play tutors can earn $15 to $40 or more depending on the subject and experience. Online teaching is flexible, beginner-friendly, and impactful. You get to help others while earning from home. Number 5, selling digital products. This method has exploded in recent years, and it's perfect for creatives and problem solvers. Digital products are items you make once and sell infinitely. Examples include ebooks or guides, printable planners or templates, Notion, dashboards, social media graphics, Lightroom presets, digital art, fonts, or stock photos. You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Ko-fi, your own Shopify site. For example, design a 30-day self-care planner in Canva, upload it to Etsy, price it at $5, and each sale earns you profit without printing or shipping. Some digital sellers make $1,000 to $10,000 or more per month. Once your shop is up and running, it requires very little maintenance. If you enjoy designing, organizing, or solving problems, this method is gold. Number 6, content creation. Now, let's talk about content creation, one of the most powerful long-term online income paths. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, blogging, or Instagram, content creation opens the door to multiple income streams. Ad revenue from platforms, affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, selling digital products, course or coaching offers. You don't need to go viral to succeed. Start with a niche you care about: fitness, parenting, finance, beauty, gaming, and consistently make helpful or entertaining content. For example, start a TikTok sharing meal, prep tips, create YouTube videos reviewing budget tech, write a blog about frugal travel. Start with your phone and free editing apps like CapCut or Canva. Focus on being consistent over being perfect. With just 1,000 true fans, creators can make thousands per month. It's a longer journey, but it builds real freedom and influence. Number 7, quick methods for instant cash. Let's say you need money fast. These quick wins won't make you rich, but they're great for side cash. Online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Y-Cents pay you for answering questions, watching videos, or trying apps. Expect $1 to $5 a day in spare time. Microtasks. Join platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker to complete small jobs, like categorizing images or transcribing text. Cashback and reward apps. Install Rakuten, Honey, or Fetch Rewards. You earn points or money back when shopping, scanning receipts, or using coupons. User testing sites like usertesting.com pay you to test websites and give feedback, often $10 to $60 per test. These won't replace a full-time income, but they're beginner-friendly and pay relatively fast. You've just seen 7 real ways to make money online in 2024, and every single one is beginner-friendly. But here's the real secret. Pick one method and go all in. Don't try 5 things at once. Stay consistent, learn as you go, and give it at least 30 to 60 days before deciding if it's right for you. Even if you start with just 1 hour a day, progress will come. Your first dollar online might feel small, but it's proof that it's real. And once you break that barrier, everything gets easier. So, which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and keep growing.